They say prevention is better than cure. And nowhere is that more true than in cybersecurity today. Hi, I am Professor V. Sridhar, faculty in charge of continuing professional education at IIIT Bangalore. And I want to start with a simple but alarming reality. Did you know that cybercrime is projected to cost the world by over $10.5 trillion per year by 2026? And in India, cybersecurity isn't just a concern, it's a national priority. The Indian government has now increased its cybersecurity investment to over 780 crores of rupees, signaling one thing very clearly. We are preparing for a future where digital defense will define the national strength. But here's the gap. Technology is evolving faster than available talent in the area of cybersecurity. So tools alone can't protect organizations. Strategic and AI-enabled cybersecurity leadership can only do that. So imagine a security system that doesn't just react to attacks, but learns from patterns of cyber incidents and automatically blocks and protects the IT assets from such attacks in the future. This is the future of cyber defense, and this is why we have created this AI-powered advanced executive program in cybersecurity offered by IIIT Bangalore and Simplilearn. In partnership with Microsoft and EC Council, one of the best certification providers in the area of cybersecurity. Through a comprehensive curriculum curated by IIIT Bangalore faculty, along with expert-led virtual sessions, hands-on labs, including CEH version 13 AI labs with exam voucher, 100 plus guided assignments, 10 plus portfolio projects, along with 30 plus case studies, you will build end-to-end expertise in both AI-led and traditional cybersecurity. You will connect with IIIT Bangalore faculty and an industry cybersecurity veteran for exclusive masterclasses and earn industry-recognized credentials such as Microsoft Learn badges. At the end of the program, you will receive the program completion certificate along with full transcript from IIIT Bangalore. This 8 months program is designed to help you to step into high-impact roles such as AI-driven security architect, red and blue team strategists, or threat intelligence experts. So apply now and learn to confidently lead the future of cyber defense.